Yeah, where's my medicine? Oh, there it is. It's all the way up there. I can't reach it.
You need man heels. Da-na-na-na-na.
What the hell was that, man? I am Rodrigo, and these are what you mean man heels. Custom designed heels for men so they can reach higher places, like for your thumbs. Thanks, man. I was looking for these. I was trying to find them. I need a pair of those shoes. Those shoes are amazing.
Little man, you should try these on.
Hey, these fit perfect on me. Yeah, I can get this up there. Thank you. Man, shoes.
Now walk the runway.
Sure, man. Yeah, man, these are awesome. I can reach everything. It's so cool.
Get nice.
Yeah.